wishing to change something in yourself, and decided to go for a surgery abroad. Obviously, it's a big step, and you've done a lot of research already, so why choose us? The quality of our treatment is the same or higher than what you would get at best clinics at home. So let us answer. Why does the price differ? Then, take London or Stockholm. A plastic surgery clinics in these cities must pay impressive sums for rent and taxes. Also, as living costs are way more higher, personnel requires very high salaries. This results in local clinics asking ever higher prices for your surgery, to say the least. It shouldn't be this way. Let's look at our clinic in Lithuania. We employ top doctors and state-of-the-art technology, yet the rents, taxes and price for living are much less. Hence, for the most part, you pay for an excellent treatment and not something else. Even when travel costs are included, the price is still more than 2 times lower. And it's for the same, or even better. EU-regulated medical services, doctors who have repeatedly become the pioneers of various procedures and operations in Lithuania and throughout Europe, trusted by many professional sportsmen and patients all over the world. Gijos Klinikos is one of the best destinations to take back your health or appearance without spending your life savings.